Hi, I'm Tia the Bird Whisperer. This is my cat Faith. I have a contest with both of my cats. This is Fate. I have Mr. Real over in the corner. Now the the contest is making all the birds climb up the rope the fastest. Will it be Faith? Say hey, you go first, Mama. Girls first. One, you go Faith, Mama. Put him up there on the rope. Make him get up. Make him get up. Get up there. Come on, Mom. You got to make him get up. Make up, 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 up. Make him climb up, Mom. Tell him get up. Very good. That's one. Now here is Blue. You see Blue. Blue is going next. Get up there, Blue. Get up there, Blue. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Try. Go ahead. Get up there. Now next is Yellow. Yellow. Here's Yellow. Come on, Yellow. You go next. Get up there. Go ahead, big girl. Good girl. Get her up there. Get up there. Good girl. Now here is another pretty girl. You see that? Come on, put her up there.